Today I will show you how to make high power 12-volt automatic charger. As always, first let's take a look at circuit diagram to understand how it actually works. As you can see, here is DC input of 14 to 14.5 volts. And here is output for battery, and negative comes from these N-channel MOSFETs. Here 2.2K resistor gives positive signal to gate, that turns on MOSFETs to pass negative at output. For auto cutoff, here TL431 shunt regulator is used, and reference pin 1 is connected to voltage divider, and this 10K variable resistor is used to set cutoff threshold, and 4.7K resistor is directly connected to positive of battery, so that when battery voltage reaches to set threshold, reference pin of shunt regulator receives positive signal and passes negative from pin 2 to pin 3. So positive signal coming from 2.2K resistor goes ground and turns off MOSFETs. And full LED turns on, and charging LED turns off. Also manual start and stop button is added, and 1N5408 barrier diode for battery up to 30 Ah and MIC10A diode for battery up to 100 Ah. For easy assembly of circuit, I just designed the PCB and ordered it from JLC PCB. They offer 2 to 4 layer PCBs, 5 pieces for just $2. Simply visit jlcpcb.com and click on order now. Add the Gerber file. After upload, you can see preview of your PCB and set quantity to order. Also, you can choose any color for your PCBs from the available colors and save to cart for checkout. Here I got the matte black color and looks awesome. So, let's place all the components according to the circuit diagram. I have provided both circuit diagram and PCB Gerber files. Download link is in description. Also, I have provided PCB layout PDF files if you want to prepare PCB at home. Now all components is placed, so let's solder the components in PCB. Our soldering is complete. Now let's trim the excess leaves of components. To clean flux residue, you can use isopropyl alcohol. Now our PCB is nice and clean and ready to test. Use alligator clip wires for battery. I will use this voltage controller that I made in my previous video. Or you can use any variable power supply to set cutoff threshold. Set input voltage to 14.5 volts and use screwdriver, and move potentiometer anti-clockwise till green LED turns on, that is cutoff position. I will use this LED to show you working demo before testing on 12-volt battery. When voltage will go below set threshold voltage, LED turns on. And when voltage increases to set threshold voltage, LED turns off. Now let's test with 12-volt battery. Connect 14.5 volts DC at input connector. And connect battery at output connector. I will use multimeter to monitor battery voltage. As you can see, battery is already at 13 volts. Press start button to start charging. As you can see, it automatically stopped charging at 13.7 volts, and if you start again it will cut off rapidly as battery is fully charged. For more useful